Why did they kick you out of the pet store? It was a misunderstanding. You had a raccoon in your hoodie. He followed me in. You brought it. I call it emotional support. You tried to trade it for a parrot. It was a good parrot. You screamed limited time offer. Gotta create demand. You yelled last day of raccoon season. They needed to know it was special. You knocked over the fish tank. He panicked. The raccoon? You said go feral and opened the hoodie. He was ready. He ran across the reptile aisle. He's curious. He bit a turtle. Lightly. You jumped the counter. I needed to explain. You grabbed the intercom and apologized publicly. It slipped. They banned you from all branches, even online. How do you get banned from online shopping? They tracked my IP after I left a review. What did you say? I just spoke my mind and thoughts. You're insane. Ricky the raccoon agrees with me.